Hello everyone. Uh, Today in this lesson, I'm going to discuss about one important topic of physical geography, that is world wind and pressure belt. So there is a high degree of variation in the distribution of air pressure throughout the world, and based on that, the whole world can be divided into seven pressure belts. So number one is equatorial pressure belt, which lies between 5 degree north to 5 degrees south of the equator, and this region is known as doldrum. This term was used by the earlier sailors who used to sail their ships through this path. So this zone is a zone of convergence. That means the winds which comes from the higher latitude region converges in this region. So next come to the next um, pressure belt, that is subtropical high pressure belt. It is located between 35 degree north to 30 to 35 degree north and south uh, latitude. That means it is located in between 30 to 35 degree north latitude in the northern hemisphere and 30 to 35 degree north in the southern hemisphere. So two winds blow from this region. The first one is trade wind, which blows towards equatorward. This trade wind further divided into two parts, that is northeast trade wind, which blows from northeast direction in the northern hemisphere, and next one is southeast trade wind, which is blow from southeast direction in southern hemisphere. So next wind is known as westerlies. It blows from subtropical high pressure belt towards 60-degree latitude. So this is known as westerlies. So hence it is a high pressure belt. So wind from this region divert. That means fan out towards low pressure region. So this is the zone of wind divergence. So next one is subpolar low pressure belt. So it is located between 60 to 65-degree north and south latitude. Here also two wind blows. That means two wind converges in this region. Hence, it is a low pressure belt. So first one is westerlies, which I have already discussed, that blows from the subtropical high pressure belt. So it comes from those 30 to 35-degree north and south latitude towards 60 to 65-degree north and south latitude. So this is westerlies. So next one is polar wind, which come from the polar region, that is 90-degree north and from 90-degree south latitude. And last pressure belt region is the polar high pressure belt. So it is located at 90-degree north and south latitude, that means at polar region. So this is a high pressure belt. So the wind is diverges from this region, and the wind which diverges or fan out from this region is a very cold wind, and it contains very less moisture. Hence, it is very dry, as well as it brings uh, less rainfall throughout the world. In our next slide, we'll see the uh, diagram of this wind and pressure belt of the world. Here you can see the diagram of world wind and pressure belt. So this different winds are indicated by different arrow marks. The wind that is come from 90-degree north and 90-degree south latitude towards 60-degree north and south respectively are indicated by blue arrow mark, and that is known as polar wind. You can see in the diagram. Again, the region of 60° north and 60° south is known as subpolar low pressure belt, where two wind converges. That is polar wind that comes from polar region, and another one is westerlies, which come from the 30 to 35° north as well as from 30 to 35° south latitude. Again, the arrow mark indicate red arrow mark indicated towards equatorial region is known as the trade wind in northern hemisphere. This wind is known as northeast trade wind, and in southern hemisphere this wind is known as southeast trade wind. So these two wind converges in equatorial region, and the region between 5° north to 5° south latitude is known as doldrum or equatorial low pressure belt, where this trade wind converges. So this is all about the um, pressure belt as well as the pattern of wind circulation of the world. Apart from this, we will discuss different local winds in our subsequent classes. So till now, thank you.